Yeah, I know I don't really talk about, the stocks of companies on this channel, but hey, there's a first time for everything. I know that's what I'll be telling myself when I was still be single at 50. Someone passed me the gun. But anyway, let's talk about Corsair finally going public, because that's probably big news for you, no matter if you're someone who just buys Corsair products, if you're someone who buys stocks, or if you're someone who may want to buy some Corsair products in the future. But this will probably influence you one way or another. Basically, at the most basic level, if you don't know what any of this means, well, you can now trade Corsair stocks. They've been having a really profitable time, seeing how many people are stuck at home and need their products for a good work from home setup, and seeing how the pandemic is far from over, that kind of success we can expect to carry on for some time. Additionally, seeing how many companies Corsair has purchased in the last few years, Elgato, Arjun, Scuf, then there's also a huge array of different markets they are doing really well in, especially Elgato. Live streaming has really taken off recently, and Elgato is pretty much the go-to name in that category. And Elgato products have been selling out so fast recently that they're pretty much out of stock everywhere. And that's kind of a, good thing and bad thing depending on how you look at it. So what does it mean to you? Well, firstly, if you're someone who wants to buy Corsair products or already buys Corsair products, then, well, many people have been kind of skeptical of if this is a good thing for them, because normally, with many other companies, what happens that, the second they go public, the main priority is bringing profits to their shareholders, and thus the quality of products can usually go down. However, it's really hard to tell if it's fear-mongering or not, because Corsair for the most part makes, really good quality stuff. And say when other companies like Logitech, when they went public, we didn't really see, this huge decrease in quality in their stuff. Like, I own some Logitech peripherals myself, and they've been absolutely top-notch, like this G502 mouse right here. It's been pretty good, but then, that's kind of what I expect for a mouse which I paid over $100 for. I'm not salty, I promise. So honestly, it's really hard to tell which way it will go, but I highly doubt Corsair is a type of company that will allow themselves to slip into having way worse components. But we just have to wait and see. If it's something you're really worried about, the best thing to do is just wait and use others as guinea pigs. Especially since, Black Friday is just around the corner. If you can wait until then, just wait what other people's, experiences are with this new Corsair, and then make your decision if you're that paranoid about the quality changing so much. But what if you're someone who wants to buy Corsair stocks? Maybe you're already someone who trades in stock, or maybe you're someone who wants to get into it and want to do it because, they're familiar with Corsair. Now, I'm no Warren Buffett, at least for now, so definitely take everything I'm going to say with a grain of salt, okay? Firstly, let's talk about IPO. On the day Corsair went live, the stock started out at around $15 and then plummeted down to around 13 or even less very quickly, making a pretty decent time to buy, and also around a time where I bought my share of Corsair stocks. So the day one showing wasn't too great, but at least was a pretty decent time to buy. Now the stocks have gone up, and at least at the time of recording is around, what, $17 or so? So definitely have gone up, they're still relatively cheap, but seeing how they are generally rising, I definitely wouldn't say now is the best time to purchase. I'd probably just wait until they drop again. And if you missed those, day one stocks, I'd probably just wait and see until we have an idea of how the stocks will behave. What's a good day for them? What's a bad day for them? What's kind of the standard day for Corsair stocks? Many people say that they will go up to about $20 soon, maybe even $40. Many people have been saying that they will go the way of Logitech, whose stocks are doing very well. But yeah, I highly doubt they'll get anywhere near that anytime soon. So yeah, those are just some of my basic thoughts. I would just say, wait for now. Wait until we have a clear picture of how these stocks will behave, what is the normal price for them, and then we then decide if it's worth buying or not. But definitely let me know what you think of Corsair going public. Let me know what kind of effects do you think it'll have, and also let me know if you're someone who's interested in buying Corsair stocks. Like I said, I've already bought mine, and definitely let me know if you're, say, someone who's just never traded stock before, but having a company that's familiar to you like Corsair, maybe that's something that finally gets you to, finally jump ship and start trading stocks. And hey, if you really want to spend some money, but you don't want to buy stocks, then that's fine. My Patreon exists, which is also a great way to support the channel, because if you support my channel via Patreon, then this channel just becomes more awesome, and it just provides way better content for you and others. And also I can take this opportunity to thank my patron LKB for supporting the channel. Thank you ever so much. Down in the video description below you'll also find a link to my Discord if you want to talk to me about this or whatever else really. And also down there you find our Amazon links if you want to buy anything from Amazon. If you use our links then we get some of the money, you pay anything extra, it's a win-win. But anyway, that's really it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, look it over, and I'll see you all in what I like next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.